Now in the last classes we have seen the slow sand filter, rapid sand filter, and we have studied the pressure filter. Now in today's class, as according to your syllabus, we are going to see the design of slow sand filter and rapid sand filter without drainage. Okay, so normally in these particular problems you will be given with the population and then the average per capita demand. All things will be given to you, and they will be asking you determine the size of the filter media. Such kind of problems they will be asking you in the exam. Okay, so to solve these particular problems we need some of the basic equations. Okay, so we first of all will study all these basic equations, and then we are going to solve some 2 or 3 problems on this particular slow sand filter and the rapid sand filter. Okay, so the first formula is average daily demand, that is equal to population will be given to you, and the per capita demand, per person how much amount of water he requires per day. Okay, this will be given to you. Okay, then you can find out the average daily demand. Then the maximum daily demand will be 1.8 times the average daily demand. Okay, the maximum demand will be how much? It is 1.8 times, it will be greater than average daily demand. Then as I have told, you will be asked to design the size. Okay, so in order to have that, we are going to have surface area is equal to maximum daily demand to the rate of filtration. Now after this, okay, you can take the length of filter equal to 2b or L equal to 1.5b. Okay, these two formulas you can determine. Here L stands for the length and B stands for the breadth of your filters. Okay, so these are the formulas. These 3 formulas are required in order to solve the problem in case of your slow sand and rapid sand filters. Now the first problem is design 6 slow sand filter beds from the following data. Means what they are telling? They are telling you to design the 6 beds of slow sand filter, right? They are telling you. Okay, the given data is population to be served, that is 50,000 people. Okay, the population that from this particular filter you need to serve around 50,000 people. Okay, per capita demand how much it is? That means per person per day how much amount of water he requires. Per person will require around 150 liters per head per day. That means one person requires 150 liters of water per day. Okay, then the rate of filtration. The rate of filtration from these pressure your bed filter, your sand filters is the amount to be filtered is, it should be 180 liters per hour per square meters. That means 180 liters for 1 hour per square meter you are going to supply. The length of bed is equal to twice the breadth. Okay, length of the bed is equal to twice the breadth. That means L is equal to 2b. Now for first, as I have told, what you need to find out, you need to find the average daily demand. Means for per person, for a single person it is 150 liters. Now you need to determine it for 50,000 people. So for first formula, then maximum daily demand, it is 1.8 times the average daily demand. Here you can keep it as 1.8 or 1.5. You can assume it as you want, you can assume it. Okay, so normally we are going to keep it in between 1.5 to 1.8. You can keep any whichever you want. Okay, we are going to assume it as 1.8. Okay, then rate of filtration, then the total surface area of the filter area required. All these formula I have already told to you. Okay, then we will see the first point, the average daily demand is equal to population multiplied by per capita demand. This I have already told in your during the formulas. Average daily demand is equal to population multiplied by per capita demand. Population is how much? It is given, it is 50,000. Then per capita demand, it is 150 liters per day. 150 liters per day. Okay, so if you multiply, it will give you 7.5 into 10 to the power 6 liters per day. Okay, then maximum daily demand, it is 1.8 times the average daily demand. What is the average daily demand? It is 7.5 into 10 to the power 6. So we are getting, if we multiply 1.8 into 7.5, we are going to get 13.5 into 10 to the power 6 liters per day. Now the rate of filtration is given to you in the problem. The rate of filtration is 180 liters per hour per square meter. So it is given for per hour. If we convert it into per day, for one day, how many hours are there? 24 hours. So hour, if we want to convert it into per day, what we will need to do? Multiply by 24. Why 24? One day will be having 24 hours. So we are going to get the value. Okay, then total surface area is equal to maximum daily demand divided by rate of filtration. It is already calculated. The maximum daily demand we have already calculated, that is 13.5 into 10 to the power 6 liters per day. Okay, then total your rate of filtration is 180 into 24. Okay, 180 into 24, it is in terms of liter per square meter per day. Now liter per day get cancels. Here 1 by meter square is going to remain. So meter square is going to come up, and you are going to get the total surface area of the filter is 3125 square meters you require. Now in the question, what they have told? They have told to design 6 slow sand filter. Now out of those 6, what we are going to do is, we are going to keep one as a standby, and hence only 5 units should be provided with the given data. Okay, one we are going to keep it for standby, because if any of the operation, if any of the maintenance work if we want to do, then at that particular time we want one for standby. So area of each filter bed, how many filter beds are there available with us now? We are going to have 5 filter beds. So area for each filter bed is, if we divide 3125 divided by 5, we are going to get 625 meters square. Then we are, what we are going to assume? We are going to assume that L is equal to 2 times the breadth. Okay, length is 2 times the breadth we are going to assume. Now area is equal to A into area is equal to L into B. Now L is how much? L is 2 times the width. So what is remaining with us is B is equal to 2B square divided by some you are 625. So we are going to get 18 meters, and L is equal to 2B here. We are going to getting it as 36 meter. Okay, hence 6 filter bed with 1 unit as a standby mode. Each unit will be having 36 is length, 18 meter is a width, arranged in series with the units with each other. So this is your problem. We have designed the size of the filter bed with having the 5 filter beds with 6 filter beds with 1 on standby mode. So the available filter beds is 5, 1 on standby mode. Now we are going to see the second type of a problem. Here we are going to design the rapid sand filter. Okay, here also we will be given with all the data. Here also you need to design the filters, filter dimensions. Okay, now first is, we'll see design the approximate dimension of rapid gravity filter for treating water required with for a population of 50,000 at a rate of water supply is 180 liters per person per day, and the filters are related to work 50,000 liters per hour per square meter. That means it is the rate of filtration. Assume whatever data are necessary and not given. Okay, so again it is similar to the last kind of a problem. Again, first what we want the average daily demand, that is equal to population multiplied by per capita demand. How much is the population? 50,000 is the population. per capita demand is how much? It is 180 liters. It is already given. So if we multiply, we are going to get the answer in terms of liters per day. Then next is the maximum average daily demand. Again here we are going to assume it as 1.8 into average daily demand. So 1.8 into 50,000 into 180, we are going to get this particular value as 16.2 into 10 to the power 6 liters per day. Okay. Now the water demand per hour, that means it is per day it is there, we are going to convert it into liters. So we are going to get 675 into 10 to the power 3 liters per hour. Now the rate of filtration is how much? It is 5000 liters. Area of the filter bed, again water demand per hour divided by rate of filtration. It is 675 into the 10 to the power 6 10 to the power 3 divided by 5000. Again here it is, we are going to get the value in meter square because liters per day per hour. Okay, and here the unit is going to get cancelled, and again here we are going to remain with meter square. Okay, now next, what is the next step? Next step is, again, since the two filter units, now in the last class they have told, in the last problem they have told to design 6 filter units. Here they have told to assume. Now in this particular problem we are assuming it as a 2 units are, say only 2 units are there. So now each unit is requiring how much? This is the total your surface area. Now we are going to design it for 2 filter units. So we are going to divide it by 2. So we are going to get 67.5 square meters. Here again assume data. Last time we have assumed it as L is equal to 2B. Here we are going to assume it as L is equal to 1.5B. Then again area is equal to a length into breadth. So length into breadth is 1.5. Length is equal to 1.5 times the B. Okay, so 1.5 into B square is equal to 67.5, which is nothing but the area. Okay, we are going to get the breadth as 6.75 meters and length as 10 meter. So hence the 2 units of each size 10 meter into 6.75 meters are required. 1 additional unit as a standby, okay, may be provided for the breakdown, repair, cleaning operations, as I have told in the last problem. So this is your 2 problems. Now we are going to see one more problem. The city has a population of 1 lakh with an average rate of demand is 160 liters per head per day. Find the area of the rapid sand filters. Now population is given, rate of demand is given. Now we need to find out the area. Okay, the area of the filter bed. Okay, now no other data has been given. We'll see how we need to solve it. Now here we have assumed the maximum daily demand is equal to 1.5 times the average daily demand. So here we are going to do it as my population multiply by the amount of water to be your per capita demand multiply by 1.5. Here we are going to get the value in terms of 2 crore 14 lakh liters. Now let us assume the average rate of filtration. Here the rate of filtration is not given. Here we are going to assume it as 4005 liters per day. See, you need to determine, you need to remember the values which has been told to you in your theory classes. Normally the rate of filtration, suppose if it is not given, then you need to assume accordingly. So here we are going to assume it as 4000 liters per hour per square meter. So 2 lakh, your 2 crore 40 lakhs divided by 4,500, it is liters per hour per square meter. So we are going to multiply with 24. Here why we are going to multiply with 24? Here top will be having per day. So here also we are going to convert it into per day. One day will be having 24 hours. So that is the reason why we are going to multiply 4,500 multiply by 24. Here we are going to get the area of filter. Now let us assume, okay, here let the size of the filter bed is 9 multiplied by 5. We are going to assume it as length is 9 meter and width is 5 meter. Okay, so how many filter beds we may require. For 5 beds we may require, keeping 1 unit as a standby. Okay, 1 unit we are going to keep 1 extra, okay, on a standby mode. Hence we are going to provide total 6 units. These units may be arranged in series with 3 units on either side. So this is the one more type of a problem here, where you are not given with the rate of filtration. Here you need to assume certain things. Here again your area has to be determined. Okay, so we can solve the problems on your filters like this. Here in your syllabus they are not going to ask you the problems based on their with the under drainage. So under drainage system, the still design is there, but according to your syllabus they have told the excluding under drainage system. So you need to find out the area and how many types of filter, how many number of filter beds are required. This you are going to do it. So this completes your module number 3. In module number 3 we have studied sedimentation and we have studied the filtration.